We all saw there how Hindus were hounded and attacked in Bangladesh when the neighboring nation was in the mid of the political unrest. Now, despite India voicing concern on several occasions, nothing much has changed on the ground. And the arrest of Hindu ISKCON priest there, Chinmoy Krishna Das, has sparked angry protests here in India in Calcutta, where members of Hindu Jagran Manch marched to Bangladesh Deputy High Commissioner's residence but were stopped by the cops. Now, a plea seeking a ban on ISKCON was also filed in Bangladesh High Court, branding ISKCON as a radical organization that threatened national security. However, the High Court has now rejected that plea. Former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has also issued a statement about the arrest of Hindu priests in Bangladesh. She has called the arrest unjust and demanded immediate release of the ISKCON priests. As far as India's response to this is concerned, the Ministry of External Affairs, while responding to a question in Parliament, said that the government has called upon Bangladesh to ensure safety and security of Hindus there and the places of worship. But as Hindus are being targeted and persecuted in Bangladesh, opposition leaders who were very vocal on Gaza are now only issuing token condemnation. Have a look.
এখনো অত্যাচারিত হচ্ছে, আগেও আন্দোলনে অনেক ছাত্রছাত্রীরা মারা গেছে এবং আজও তার রেস চলছে। এবং আমরা তো কেউ ঘটনাটাকে সমর্থন করছি না, যে কোনো ঘটনায় যে কোনো ধর্মের উপরেই হোক না কেন আমরা সেটাকে সমর্থন করি না। তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের স্ট্যান্ড হচ্ছে যে যখনই গভর্নমেন্টে থাকুক না কেন আমরা গভর্নমেন্টের স্ট্যান্ডটাকে সাপোর্ট করি।
We have a breaking news coming in, which is a reaction that has come from United Kingdom. In fact, listening to Bob Blackman, who condemned the attack on Hindus in Bangladesh and the imprisonment of Chinmoy Krishna Das. Have a look.
Now, right now, Mr. Speaker, the International Society of Krishna Consciousness, who run Bhaktivinoda Manor in Elstree, the largest Hindu temple in this country, in Bangladesh, their spiritual leader is under arrest. Hindus across Bangladesh are being subject literally to death by their houses being burnt, their temples are being burnt, and there was an attempt today in the Bangladesh High Court to rule that ISKCON should be banned from the country. This is a direct attack on Hindus. Now, this is a threat from India now to take action. We have a responsibility because we enable Bangladesh to be free and independent. Now, whatever the change of government has been in Bangladesh, it cannot be acceptable that religious minorities are persecuted in this way. So far, we've only had a written statement from the FCDO, so could the leader enable an oral statement on the floor of this House so we can bring to the world's attention what is going on in Bangladesh?
Well, crossing over to my colleague Rishabh, who joins us live in the broadcast. Rishabh, in India, we saw protests yesterday in Calcutta against the attack on Hindus in Bangladesh, but clearly an open message also coming from United Kingdom. They have also condemned the attack on Hindus in Bangladesh and also the imprisonment of the ISKCON chief there.
Well, definitely, the way the atrocities against minorities in Bangladesh have gained global attraction is something that showcases that the severity of the situation in Bangladesh, and be it in UK, be it in US, India, for that matter, the voices have been coming one after another against the interim government, saying and calling upon them to ensure the safeguard of minority rights and safety of minority communities. And the way things have happened in the last 48 to 72 hours in Bangladesh, it clearly showcases and sent a message that how a huge population in a country is under threat and the government is unable to deliver what it is expected to deliver, and the interim government of Bangladesh has actually failed to ensure the safety and security of minority communities.
Well, absolutely. So a strong reaction also coming from United Kingdom as far as the persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh is concerned. Thank you, Rishabh, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this now.